So how can you see archived mails in the Gmail on your iPhone? Let me show you how exactly it works. If it's your first time on this channel, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you are inside of the Gmail app on your phone, you can see that you can swipe to either direction basically to like hide or archive that particular email. So if you do it, it's going to be like gone from the main view, but how can you access it? Because if you go to the side panel, you can see some different things like the primary, social, and send, spam, and so on. But archived is not there. The reason is that it is part of the all mail, and that is basically the only way to access your archived emails. Because when you click on all mail, not only will you see it all put together in like one list, so all of the social promotions and regular emails are going to be put all together, but even those which you clicked on archive are going to be part of this folder. So this is how it works. So this is how you will have the ability to find it. So yeah, you can always just kind of like bring it back. So it depends on what you want to do with it, and you can kind of like move this away, so move it to a different inbox if you hold it down on the archived email, so you can move it back to the primary or whatever. But this is where the archived mails can be found. So I hope I was able to assist you and help you out with this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully will be able to see you in the next tutorials as well. So make sure you subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you in the future uploads. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.